Good morning my dear students. Today we shall continue with chapter number 4, algorithms and flowchart, and topic of today is on page number 57, that is rules for writing algorithms. There are some of the rules and guidelines to follow while writing algorithms. Very first is always give statement number such as step 1, 2 and etc. Always begin the first step with the start, write the statement in brief and clearly, write each statement in separate line, always write stop at the end of the algorithm. एल्गोरिदम को जब भी आपने स्टार्ट करना है तो आपके सारे वर्क जो हैं वो स्टेप वाइज होंगे और सारे स्टेप से पहले द वेरी फर्स्ट स्टेप इज़ स्टार्ट स्टेप एंड लास्ट स्टेप इज़ स्टॉप स्टेप. थर्ड इज़ you have to make the statement in a short form and that will be in clear form so that कि understanding और easy language में आपका algorithm होना चाहिए and write each statement in a separate line. हर एक line by line आपका step होना चाहिए. Next is do not make the algorithms too long. Try to make the algorithm short and easy to understanding in your own English language so that the program become easy for making. So we'll try with the first example to algorithm to prepare tea. Now let's discuss a few examples to understand the algorithm later. And example 1 is algorithm to prepare tea. Here we are having some steps and very first step is start. Second is go to the kitchen and take the required quantity of water in the pan and the gas stove and turn on the gas stove and wait for the boiling of water. Add required quantity of sugar, tea leaves and milk in the boiling water. Pour the tea in cups and serve it. Stop. अगर आप लोगों ने चाय बनानी है तो चाय के जितने भी आपके स्टेप होंगे दैट इज़ फॉर मेकिंग एन एल्गोरिदम एंड वेरी फर्स्ट स्टेप इज़ कि आप किचन में जाओगे, जाके अपना पैन रखोगे, पैन में वाटर बॉइलिंग के लिए एंड यू विल पुट सम शुगर एंड यू विल पुट सम tea leaves and after that you will put some milk and for that you have to wait for boiling of water and all the things and pour the tea in the cups and serve it. These all steps are the part to prepare a tea, so it is known as the algorithm for preparing a tea. ऐसे ही अगर आपने प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज में कुछ प्रोग्राम बनानी है लाइक यू वांट टू ऐड सम वैल्यूज, यू वांट टू डू कैलकुलेशंस, फॉर दैट यू हैव टू इनपुट और डिक्लेयर सम वेरिएबल्स. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू मेंशन द formula or the purpose why you are making that particular algorithm. The very second example is algorithm to make sandwich. Step 1 is start, put a slice of bread on a plate, apply butter evenly, put grated cheese and chopped mixed vegetable, cover it and another bread slice, put a little butter in pan and toast the sandwich until it turns crisp on both the sides. Serve it with the tomato sauce and that last step will be the stop. You have to keep in mind that algorithm should be in an easy language. You have to make all the steps for all the statements and the very first step is start and the last is stop. After that you have to make the algorithm to make a Maggi noodles. Start, boil 1 cup of water in a pan, add Maggi noodle and taste maker, simmer for 2 minutes till the Maggi is fully cooked. Transfer to serving bowl and serve it to hot to enjoy. Next very important example that is based on your programming. So listen all the steps very carefully. The very first step for creating the algorithm to find the largest among 3 different numbers. First one is you have to start the algorithm, declare variables a, b and c because you have to find out the largest among 3 numbers. You have to declare 3 variables for that. Read variable 1, a, b and c one by one and you have to check accordingly condition, that is step 4, if a is greater than b and if a is greater than b. If this thing is true that a is greater than b and c, then it will display a is greatest. If this thing will be false, it will display in the else statement that c is largest. Next we are having else if b is greater than c and b is greater than a, then display b is largest number, else c is the largest number. After that the last step is stop. This is the algorithm to find out the largest between 3 numbers and after that you are having some characteristics of a good algorithms. अच्छे एल्गोरिदम के कौन कौन से गुण हैं, कौन कौन सी अच्छाइयाँ हैं उनकी, इनपुट प्रोसेस प्रिसीजन, फिटनेस, जनरलिटी, सीक्वेंस ऑफ एग्जीक्यूशन एंड आउटपुट। अगर कोई प्रोग्राम है या कोई एल्गोरिदम है वो तभी आपका वर्किंग में काउंट किया जाएगा इफ़ यू पीपल विल provide some input to that, and after that it will work on that, that is known as the processing, and it will give some result that is known as an output. Precision means you have to precisely define all the steps for that. Fitness, finiteness, sorry, that is the fourth characteristics. Finiteness means limitness, कि आपके एल्गोरिदम के सारे स्टेप्स जो हैं उनकी लिमिट होनी चाहिए। ये नहीं है कि आपके 9 पॉइंट्स के बाद जो है अगर आपने स्टॉप को मेंशन कर दिया है, आपका एल्गोरिदम तभी भी अपनी वर्किंग को कंटिन्यू रखे और आपका जो प्रोग्राम है या एल्गोरिदम है उसका काम कंप्लीट ना हुआ हो। सो इट शुड बी इन अ लिमिट फॉर्म। जनरलिटी, एक जर्नल फॉर्म के अकॉर्डिंग भी आपके एल्गोरिदम अच्छे होने चाहिए। लाइक इफ़ यू वांट टू मेक अ tea, you want to make a coffee, on that general topics you can make a algorithm on that process. The sequence of execution. Algorithm is a top down approach, that means from the very first step and the last step, your all steps will do working from one by one, all the steps, and an algorithm produce the desired output. That all were the characteristics of a good algorithm. With this, the topic of algorithm is completely done, and you all have to solve the back exercise regarding this topic, and we will discuss the topic of flowchart later on. Thank you. Have a nice day.